Guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the blazed handle in Fish. And basically this is a very quick video. All you have to do is make your way over to Crook's Hollow. Once you make your way over to Crook's Hollow, you want to just make your way over to the witch, and she should have like an event handle above her. Anyways, once you make your way over to her, you just want to go ahead and give her all of your witch's ingredients. And you want to do this because the final reward of giving her all of your ingredients will actually be the fish rod or the blaze handle. And once you basically do that, you guys will be good to go. There is no other way of getting it right now, so you have to do it this way. And once you do that, you guys should be good to go, and that is it. So yeah, again, that is it for the video. Make your way over to Crook's Hollow, and then go ahead and give the witch all of the witch's ingredients, and then you guys should be good to go. Now that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.